In this video, we will show you how to create company page on LinkedIn. First, you need to log in on your LinkedIn account and choose the work menu. In here, you will scroll down, then have create a company page link. Click this. And for company page on LinkedIn, there is three categories: for company, or showcase page, or just educational institution. And in here, let's try using company page. For example, our company page is where data like this, and using HTTPS, and for industrial services, you can select size, and you can select a logo, and the tagline is there is just optional. You can fill it with blank, but let fill this, and don't forget to agree with the terms of LinkedIn and create page. Okay, and in here you can add description, location, or another there is have you must fill in here. That's all tutorial how to create company page on LinkedIn. Hope this video helpful for you.